Well, I decided to go ahead and do another cleaning performance whole house vacuuming video to show you how well these pick up. So I decided to use, I have many Elites in my collection, so I decided this one be the Elite Supreme for the cleaning performance video, because it's one of my more top performing Elites, since it has the updated fan impeller. So let's get this show on the road. Alright, well, let's go and move on to the rest of the house. after that, let's go and see what this baby picked up. I will say, I love using these Elites. They're nice and lightweight, and they're much powerful. And with the updated impeller fan that this vacuum got installed, it definitely helps out with the noise. Oh, look at that. A lot of dust particles in there. Let me go ahead and turn the flash on. Wow, a lot in there. A lot more towards the bottom. You know, you will note that there is a bit of wood chips because I just had some people work on my house, and they got some chips of wood in the machine, so I'm surprised that this picked it all up. Oops. Set the backpack on. I'm gonna have to come back later. So that is just how good one of these old Hoover Elite vacuums perform, because this vacuum was out long before the wind tunnel took its place. And I will say, well, with a HEPA bag, it probably increases airflow drastically, and since this one has the upgraded fan impeller, it also has more airflow than it ever did back in 1996. So anyway, I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.